Exercise 3.3 of chapter Trigonometric Functions from question number 13. The question number 13 is cos squared 2x minus cos squared 6x equal to sin 4x 8x and so on up to last question 25. Okay, from question number 13. The cos squared 2x minus cos squared 6x. By using the formula cos square a square minus b square, so we can write in LHS cos 2x plus cos 6x a plus b and a minus b cos 2x minus cos 6x. Okay. Now put the formula of cos x plus y or the cos a plus cos b. It is equal to the cos a plus cos b equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula of cos c plus cos a plus cos b. Next, cos a minus cos b equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 and sin a minus b by 2, 2x minus 6x by 2. It is equal to the 2 cos 4x and it is equal to the cos minus 2x. Okay. Now again minus 2 sin 4x and sin minus 2x. Okay. Now you can take cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So now you can write cos 4x and sin 4x and cos 2x 2 times cos 2x and minus 2 and sin minus 2x equal to minus 2x, sin 2x minus minus plus, so we can write only sin 2x. Okay. Now the formula of 2 sin a cos a, it is equal to the 2 sin a. You can write here sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. It means it is equal to the 2 sin 2 into 4x and sin 2 into this and it is equal to the sin 2 into 2x. Same formula. We get sin 8x sin 4x. This is the RHS of the question. This is RHS of the question, sin 4x sin 8x. Two formulas used, cos a plus cos b, cos a minus cos b and sin 2a. By these three formula, this question has been solved. Now question number 14. The question of 14 is sin 2x 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. Now taking LHS. The left hand side of this question is sin 2x and rearrange sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. Okay. Now sin a plus sin b, formula of sin a plus sin b is 2 sin a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2 and here 2 sin 4x as it is. It is equal to the 2 sin 4x cos minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Now common, 2 sin 4x is common. 2 sin 4x common. Cos minus 2x equal to the cos 2x. Cos minus theta equal to cos theta plus 1. Okay, the 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus 1. Now put the formula of cos 2x. It is equal to the 2 cos square x minus 1. The formula of cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 and plus 1. 1 cancel. The answer is 2 into 2, 4 cos square x and sin 4x. This is the RHS of the question. Hence proved. 4 cos square x sin 4x. This is the RHS of the question. Okay. The next question. The question number 15 is cot 4x sin 5x plus 3x. And here is cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. So we have to prove LHS and RHS both. Okay. The first LHS. LHS cot 4x. Cot 4x we can write cos 4x upon sin 4x. This is the cot 4x. And sin a plus sin b equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2. And cos a minus b by 2. Just put the formula of sin a plus sin b. Okay. Now cos 4x sin 4x, it is equal to the 2 sin 4x and cos x. 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2. 4x cancel. The LHS equal to 2 cos x cos 4x. Okay. Now RHS. Same way. Cot x, RHS is, and sin 5x minus sin 3x. The formula of cot x equal to cos x by sin x. And sin a minus sin b equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2. And sin a minus b by 2, यानी 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay. Now cos x upon sin x, 2 into cos 4x, and it is equal to sin x. 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4x, 5 minus 3, sin x cancel. This equal to the 2 cos x into cos 4x. This is the RHS, 2 cos x cos 4x, and LHS this. It means we can say LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. This is the solution of question number 15. Now 16. The question number 16 is cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to minus sin 2x by cos 10x. Now LHS. Just put the formula of cos A minus cos B. Cos A minus cos B is 2 sin A plus B by 2. And sin A minus B by 2. Okay. And again sin A minus sin B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2. 17x plus 3x. A plus B matlab 17x plus 3x by 2. And the 2 cos A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. 17x minus 3x by 2. Okay. Now 2 cancel. Just minus sin 14 by 2, it means 7x sin 9 minus 5, 4 by 2, it is 2x. And here 17 plus 3, 20. It means cos 10x. And sin 17 minus 3, 14 by 2, 7x. Okay. Sin 7x cancel. The remaining terms sin 2x upon cos 10x. This is the RHS of the question, hence proved. LHS equal to RHS. Just put the formula of cos A minus cos B or sin A minus sin B. Next, question number 17. The question number 17 is sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x equal to tan 4x. Okay. In the LHS, sin 5x plus sin 3x. Just put the formula of sin A plus sin B. It is equal to the 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. This is the formula of cos sin A plus sin B. And next, cos A plus cos B, it means 2 cos A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2. Here A is 5x and B equal to 3x. And cos A minus B by 2. The formula of cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. Now cancel 2. जिन्नी भी पढ़ेगी जाओ. The sin 4x and cos 5 minus 3 2 by 2, it is cos x. And the cos 4x into cos x. Cos x cancel. Sin 4x by 10, 4x equal to tan 4x. This is equal to the RHS of the question. Okay. Very easy question. The question number 18 is sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y equal to tan x minus y by 2. Now put the formula of sin A minus sin B. The formula of sin A minus sin B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. Sin 2 cos x plus y upon 2 sin x minus y upon 2. Now the formula for cos A plus cos B means 2 cos A plus B means x plus y upon 2 and cos x minus y upon 2. 2 cancel. Cos x plus y cos A. It is equal to sin x minus y upon 2 upon cos x minus y. It is equal to tan x minus y upon 2. It means it is the RHS of the question and here is the LHS. Now question number 19. The next question is sin x plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x equal to tan 2x. Now in LHS, it is given that sin x plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x. Just use formula sin A plus sin B. 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. This is the formula of sin A plus B. 2 sin A. A means x, B 3x. And cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B यानी x plus 3x cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. Okay. So we can write cancel 2. The same term it cancel. It is equal to the sin 4x by 2 sin 2x upon cos 2x. This is the equal terms. Same term cancel. It is equal to tan 2x. This is the RHS of the question, tan 2x. Question number 20. The question number 20 is sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x. Sin A minus sin B. You have to put the formula of sin A minus sin B. Okay. Right. LHS. Sin A minus sin B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2. X plus 3x by 2. And sin A minus B by 2. X minus 3x by 2. And the formula sin square x minus cos square x. So we know that cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is the formula of cos 2x. Okay. So here we can write minus cos 2x. Okay. It is equal to minus cos 2 cos 2x sin, it is equal to minus 2x by 2 minus x and divided by minus cos 2x minus 2 cos 2x sin x. Why? Because sin minus x equal to minus sin x and divided by minus 2 cos, minus cos 2x. 2x cancel, minus cancel, equal to 2 sin x. 2 sin x is the RHS of the question. Okay, the question number 20 solved. Now question number 21. Question number 21 is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. Okay, now take LHS and pairing 4x plus 2x. We have to write cos 4x cos 2x because 4x plus 2 is 6x by 2 is 3x. Now write here cos 3x. In the same sin 4x plus sin 2x and sin 3x. Just rearrange. Now put the formula of cos A plus cos B and sin A plus sin B. It is equal to the 2 cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2 means 4x minus 2x by 2. A plus B 4x plus 2x by 2. A minus B 4x minus 2x by 2 and here is cos 3x. Okay. In the denominator sin x, sin A plus sin B means 2 sin A plus B by 2. It means 4x plus 2x by 2. And cos A minus B means 4x minus. Just simply fit in the formula. It is equal to sin 3x. Okay. Take 2 cos 3x cos x. 2x by 2 is x plus cos 3x. And this 2 sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x. Okay. Now take common cos 2x in the numerator. Cos 3x in the numerator. It is equal to 2 cos x plus 1. And denominator sin x, sin 3x common. It is equal to 2 cos x plus 1. These terms cancel. Cos 3x by sin 3x equal to cot 3x. This is the RHS. Hence proved. LHS equal to RHS. Cot 3x. Okay. Next question. Question number 22 is cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x equal to 1. RHS equal to 1. Okay. Solve LHS. First term is cot x cot 2x. Write as it is minus cot 3x taken common. Cot 3x common. It is cot 2x plus cot x. Okay. Just take common. In the next step, cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x we can write it 2x plus 1, 2x plus x, and the same the formula of cot A plus B, cot A plus B. The formula is cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Cot A plus cot B. This is the formula of cot A plus B. Okay. Next, write cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x plus x, we can write cot 2x into cot x minus 1 divided by cot 2x plus cot x. This is the expansion of this formula, and now this term is cot 2x plus cot x. These are the two terms are the same, cancel. The remaining question is cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot x plus 1. Minus minus, here is the minus, minus minus plus. These terms cancel, equal to 1. This is the RHS. In RHS we have only 1. Okay. Next, question number 23. Easy questions. The question is tan 4x equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to power 4x. So now 10 raised to power 4x can be written in the form of 2 into 2x. Okay. Now the formula of tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Just using this formula, the tan to 2x equal to 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. Just a equal to 2x. Now the next term, 2 into tan square 2x 1 minus tan square 2x. Just tan 2x equal to 2 into 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. And the next 1 minus tan square 2x means 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay. So 2 tan x, it is equal to the, here is the 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. It means 2 into 2 tan x 1 minus this. Now solve. It is equal to the 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. And 1 minus 4 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus tan square x whole square. Simplify 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and the next term is 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay. Just reciprocal and multiply 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole square upon 1 minus tan square x, and this term is 1 minus tan square whole square is 1 plus 10 raised to power 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Here is the square, the one is term is cancelled. The remaining term is 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x, and 1 plus tan square plus 4 plus 1 minus tan square 4 x plus 1 minus 6 tan square x. This is the RHS of the question. 4 tan x, 1 minus tan square x, 10 raised to the power 4x plus 1 minus 6 tan. This is the RHS. Hence proved. Just simplify of the formula. Cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Cos 4x equal to cos 2 into 2x. The formula of cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, this is the formula. Now using this, 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. 2 sin square 2x. Okay, now solve. 1 minus 2 sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x square. It means 1 minus 2 4 sin square x and cos square x, and multiplied by 2 8 sin square x cos square x. RHS of this question, this is the LHS. Last question number 24. Question number 25. Last question. Cos 6x equal to 32 cos raised to power 6x minus 48 cos raised to power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now cos 6x. We can write cos 2 into 3x. 3 into 2, 6x. Or cos 3 into 2x. Write here like this. Cos 3 into 2x. Cos 3x. The formula of cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Write the formula of here cos 3a. Cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is the formula of cos 3a. Now using this form. Now 4 cos cube a, cubic of 2x. So we can write the cos 2x, formula of cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube. Because all the RHS in cos, therefore we have to write cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. Just expand the formula of a minus b whole cube. It means a cube 2 cos square x minus b cube minus 3 a square b. The formula of a square 3a square b plus 3a b square. In the simple way, a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square means this number 2 cos square x, a square b plus 3ab square minus 3 into this term 3 into 2 6 cos square x minus 3. Okay, just solve. 2 cos square x whole cube is 8 cos raised to power 6 and 8 into 4. Yeah, first I have done only 8 cos raised to power 6x minus 1 minus 2 into 2 4 for the 12 cos raised to power 4x and this plus 3 into 2 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x minus 3. Now multiply 4 in all terms. 32 cos raised to power 6x 48 cos raised to power 4x 4 into 6 24 cos square x minus 4. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. And minus 6 cos square x minus 3. Oh my god, sorry, minus 3 here is the plus 3. Minus 3 multiplied in this, plus 3, in all terms, plus 3. Okay. Single mistake. Minus 48 cos raised to power 4x plus 24 minus 16 is 18 cos square x and minus cos minus 1. This is the RHS of the question. Hence proved. Worksheet is finished now.